Hello, my dear students. How are you? Welcome you all to Sant Tukaram National Model School again. So this is a video series based on Western Desert. You also know the another names of the Western Desert, that is the Thar Desert. It is also known as Marusthalia and all such things. Before this video, I would like to tell you that previous videos are already posted on the YouTube channel, as well as the links are given in your QR code notes. So please follow both sources, and let's start here. Today we are going to learn, in this video we are going to learn very important kinds of landforms that you are able to find in the Western Desert or the Thar Desert. As you can see behind me, you are having a beautiful landscape here, and it is made up of sand dunes. Everyone knows that desert is an area which is having a lot of sand, or it is a sandy area. You are having sandy type of soil there. So these are nothing but just the sand dunes. Now there is one very interesting story about this sand dunes. Story instead you can say the process of formation and process of movement of these sand dunes. These sand dunes are not permanent on one place. They are not permanent on one place. They may be moving from one place to another place. What factors are responsible for that, we will be seeing that. So it becomes to be a very important landform of the Western Desert, or any desert you can say. In any desert you can find such type of sand dunes are there. As it is a sandy area, sand dunes are definitely there. In previous videos, or while learning in the online sessions or online periods, you might have heard from me that in the Western Desert or in the Thar Desert, there are a lot of sandstorms. Now, what are these sandstorms? Blowing wind, a very fast blowing wind. Everyone knows that when the wind blows, it blows from low temperature towards the high temperature. That is, low temperature is having high pressure, and high temperature is having low pressure. So always wind blows from high pressure to low pressure, or you can say from lower temperature to the higher temperature. That is, from suppose one area is having temperature of 30 degrees Celsius, and one area that could be in a desert region, it could be having the mean temperature of near about 45 degrees Celsius. So the wind will blow from the area of which is having 30 degrees Celsius towards the Western Desert, or the area which is having towards the temperature of 45 degrees Celsius. Due to that, the wind blowing here, it carries sand along with it. Or you can say, just you can remember, like the sandstorms are very common in these areas. That is, in the desert region, the sandstorms are very common. In the afternoon period, or in the afternoon time, these sandstorms are very much common here in the desert region. It could be any Western Desert or any other desert in the world. The sandstorms is very common scene here. And due to that, what happens whenever the wind blows, the storm which is, or the wind which is blowing from one place to another place, it carries the sand along with it. It blows the sand from one place to another place. So that's why these sand dunes are formed at several places. When the wind is blowing, it carries the sand along with it, and it deposits the sand somewhere. Due to some obstruction, the sand gets collected somewhere, and it forms the dunes like structure, or it forms just a mounds, or a heap of sand will be formed, and these are called as the sand dunes. So the sand dunes are not permanent at a one place. These sand dunes are not permanent. Sometimes, suppose a very strong sand storm will be there. What will happen? The sand from this sand dune areas, or the sand from this area, may be collected by the wind, and it may be transported in another area and new area where new sand dunes may be formed, and these sand dunes may get disappear. So this is one very important kind of landform in the desert region. In next video, we will be seeing another important landform, but it is not related to the sand. Though it is in a desert area, it is related to the water. So stay tuned and watch our videos. We will be seeing next important landform in our next video. Till then, bye.